This is the Amazon Smart Air Quality Monitor. It provides insights into your air quality, helping you maintain a healthier living environment. In this video, we'll cover all the essential details that you need to know. Inside the box, you'll find the Amazon Smart Quality Monitor, a USB charging cable, and a quick start guide. Setting up the Smart Air Quality Monitor is quick and easy. Start by placing it in a central location in your home. Then, plug it in with the included USB cable and follow the setup instructions in the Alexa app to connect it to your Wi-Fi. To use the monitor, simply open the companion app on your smartphone. It displays data on temperature, humidity, VOC levels, and particulate matter, giving you a comprehensive view of your air quality. You can also receive notifications when levels change. The Amazon Smart Air Quality Monitor has a sleek and modern design, measuring about 1.8 inches tall and 2.6 inches wide, and it weighs just under a pound. Its compact size allows it to fit easily on shelves or desks. The durable casing is white, which complements any decor, while the clear display provides easy visibility from a distance. This monitor provides accurate and timely readings, allowing you to make informed decisions about ventilation and air purification. With its easy-to-read app and smart notifications, it seamlessly integrates into your daily routine and helps you create a healthier home environment effortlessly. With its practical design, ease of setup, and reliable performance, the Amazon Smart Air Quality Monitor is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to improve their indoor air quality. You'll appreciate the peace of mind it brings to your living space.